vibrant little shopping centers. And let's see how they have the informal settlements on the road. Where's the law enforcement to take away their stuff? No, it's black people, it's not coloureds. It's black people. It's fine. JP says it's fine. Hey, look how they stand. Look how they stand. Look how informal is this market. Hey, it's not even demarcated, man. It's not even demarcated. You come to Gatesville, you remove hard-earned. I made a loan to buy oranges and salad on the street, but no, you found a way to remove it, taking my food off my table. God, look at this place. Look at this place. Freedom Park. Hey, so Slovo. Hey, look at the double stories here, man. Look at the double stories here. Look at the double stories here. Double stories, huh? Double stories. Informal. Hey, do this in Gatesville, then what? We're not being racist here, man. We're opening up people's eyes. What you do for the gander, you can do for the goose, man. Huh? We are all humans, man. We are all humans here. Huh? How's your geluk? How's your pint op? Huh? Informal. Huh? We need to take this municipality to task, man. Huh? They can do what they want to the colored communities. Huh? And turn a blind eye. What? Huh? What? This is reality, man. We will bring you the audits, man, of reality. Proper audits. There's nothing to hide here. We didn't plan this. We didn't ask these people to be here. This is every day. Huh? This is every day. This is every day. This is every day, man. Huh? People standing up. Drug peddlers standing on the corner. Look there. He's got his bottle in his hand. He's drinking already with a straw. Huh? Big bottle in his hand. Busy area. Lively communities. Huh? Right here. No care. Hey, lekker place, man. Lekker place. Right in Milnerton. What's your address, sir? Freedom Park, Milnerton. Hey, gee whiz, huh? We're not trying to separate our people, man. The spatial planning does it. The spatial planning does it. It's done with a purpose to keep you here and have separation. The city that works for a few, huh? You get a spatial planning. Hey, this was a nice, vibrant, colored community. We're not saying there's something wrong when black people move into an area, man. No, it's planned like this. It's planned like this. We can't have our cars parked outside our homes and they want to give you a fine. That's normal here. It's normal here. It's normal here. Nice, vibrant communities. Lovely. I like it when people there's growth in people. But don't be unfair, man. You created the racial boundaries. You the city. You inherited apartheid and you perfected it in the democracy. To blind people. We need to be blunt about this, man. The audit is proving to you how blunt spatial planning still exists. Come on, I'm waiting on your comments. Take us to task. You couldn't hide this, man.